Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add image, title for social media and description for social media platform for pages in Wix website. Before starting work is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display social share preview with image, title and description according to your requirement. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see pages and menu, so click on it. So we are inside pages and menu, and then you see multiple pages. So when we hover on page you see three dots. So we are in contact page, three dots, so click on it, and then you see social share, so click on it. So you can do setting according to your requirement for multiple pages. So we are in page setting, contact, and then you see social share, and then you see open graph. Tags are used by social network like Facebook, Pinterest to display text and image. When this page is shared on any social media platform like Facebook, Pinterest or X, so you can add image, so click on it. Now select image and then click on add to page. Now image edit, and then you see title on social media, contact us, so you can add title according to requirement. So we remove us. Now you see contact. So this is our description on social media, so you can modify according to requirement. Now you see create a cache description for this page on social media. Keep your description under 500 characters including spaces. Also you see add a cache title for when this page is shared on social network. Keep it under 200 characters including spaces. So you can modify this according to requirement. And then you see X settings, so click on it. If you want you can image for X. And then you see large, small, card size to display on X, title on X, description on X. So you can add title and description for X especially according to requirement. So it's up to you. And then click on publish. Now publish done. When you share any page like about, contact page, home page on any social media platform like Facebook, Pinterest, X, then your image, title and description display on social media when you share your website link or page link. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.